I've been using the Autopilot Investment app for almost a year now. In this video, I'll share my honest and unbiased review. We'll go over the key features, potential risks, and important considerations. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how this app works and whether it might be the right choice for you. My experience. For my portfolio, I diversified across several different trackers. Some were designed to mirror broad market indices like the S&P 500, while others focused on specific investment styles. And this is where things got interesting. Some of these trackers performed quite well, delivering solid returns. However, others fell far behind the overall market. That made me take a deeper look into what was happening. The issues I found. One of the biggest concerns I discovered was trade execution timing. There was often a delay between when a tracker decided to make a move and when the actual transaction was carried out. In a fast-moving market, this lag can significantly reduce potential profits. Another factor was fees. While the platform promotes low management costs, I noticed additional hidden expenses. Things like transaction fees, expense ratios, and other internal costs within the trackers slowly chipped away at my overall returns. My takeaway. So what's my final verdict after 1 year? The Autopilot Investment app can be a great starting point, especially for beginners. It encourages diversification and helps remove the emotional roller coaster from daily trading. However, in my case, I decided to take a more active approach. I still use the app for part of my portfolio, but I also allocate funds to individual stocks and other strategies that give me more control over my investments. Final thoughts. As always, before making any financial decisions, it's a good idea to consult with an expert. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, consider supporting the channel by clicking the Super Thanks button. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights. See you in the next one.